channel. I'm Astrid. Today we will make and use this purple ladybug ability. Design your own stickers water bottle. So inside, guys, 20 ounce water bottle with flip-top lid, 6 sheets of fun stickers, a carabiner to hold the bottle. So the box 6 is green, guys. So let's open. Yeah. Ooh. There's the bottle. I didn't know this has gemstones. But it's okay. I think these are just the extra if you want to put this in here too. So let's put the gemstones here. And look at the stickers. They're so cool. And look at the unicorn and the mermaid. Oh, this is real. It's so cute. They're cute. I can't even see it. That's so cute. We have this pair. Oh, we have a mermaid. It says under the sea, and another one. It says ocean life. Cool ice cream mascot unicorn. Ooh, and even every sheet of stickers it has this one, purple ladybug novelty. And even we have letter stickers. Oh, there's the mermaid. Oh, this is the big piece. And we have another sheet of letter stickers. Let's first put the... Oh, wait. What is this? Oh, it's a thank you card. So, guys, this is the thank you card. Let's put it over here by the box. So, let's just first put the letters by there. And this over here. Now, let's get decorating the bottle. So, guys, let's get started before. I'm gonna think of the good designs of this bottle, and if you want to use it first in your first use, you have to hand wash it first, not the dishwasher, because that's not safe for this one. So are you ready to get designing this water bottle? Let's go. This one. Okay. Here. How about let's put a little narwhal. A cactus that is smiling, I guess. Let's put it over here. Ta-da! Now let's put this purple ladybug novelty. Oh wait, why it does not came off? There we go. There we go. Let's put it over here. Cherry. A cherry over here. Okay, let's put the cherry. Oh, we need an ice cream. Why did I get a cherry already? Okay, put here first, and then let's put the yellow and green ice cream. Put over here with the cherry on top. There we go. See guys, I made a sentence. Sophia the first. Next, let's put more gemstone. Okay, and for this one is here. There we go. More gemstone. That's okay. See guys. And now let's put more stickers. Let's put the earth. So here it is. I'm done. So guys, I made 3 sentences. Sophia the first over here, Kool-Aid over here, and yeah, over here. So fun is over here, ocean life over here, the earth is over here, the flamingo is looking at the watermelon, they're here, the weekend over here, the sneaker, big sunglasses, an ice cream on a cherry, a bow with a cactus holding a lollipop, a giant lollipop, of course. Let's see the legs up. A seashell, a sneaker. Whee! So I would like to shout out to the Vicky from USA that she gave this water bottle to me. So I will make it a vlog, just like today. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!